today we will start miscellaneous exercise chapter 5 on differentiation. Question first. Differentiate. In all questions you have to differentiate with respect to WRT, with respect to X. Question first is given to you 3x square minus 9x plus 5 to the power 9. Take it y. So you have to find dy by dx. So y का डिफरेंशिएट होता है dy by dx. x की पावर n से करेंगे तो n x, this full x plus n minus 1 8. Now into differentiate of 3x square, it is 3 into 2 6x minus 9x का 9 5 का 0. So this is the answer. Now I will take question number 3rd. 5x to the power 3 cos 2x. 3 cos 2x. इसको अपन y ले लेंगे. dy by dx is equal to either you do x की power n, or if it is in power, it is the best to take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, log y log m to the power n क्या होती है n log m. तो जो पावर है ये आगे आ जाएगी 3 cos 2x log 5x. y का होता है 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to, take this is first function and this is second function. 3 cos 2x first function into differentiate of second log का 1 upon x. 1 upon x की जगह 5x. 5x का फिर होगा 5 plus second into differentiate of first. into differentiate of first. 3 का होगा नहीं, cos का होगा. cos का क्या होगा minus sin 2x 3 minus sin 2x और 2x का फिर होगा 2. So take y there. इस y को अपन क्या करेंगे, यहां से हटा के क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यहां ले जाएंगे. Now putting the value of y, so dy by dx is equal to, what is the value of y? This is the value of y. Put it here, 5x to the power 3 cos 2x. Now 5 3s are 15. This 5 cancel out. So 3 cos 2x upon x plus minus is minus 3 into 2 6. 6 sin 2x upon into log 5x. This is the answer. Question 4. Now, sin inverse x under root x. 0. This is the range of x. Take it y. We write this x की power 1, x की power 1 by 2 we write as it is. 1 plus 1 by 2 यानी कि 3 by 2. Now differentiate it. dy by dx. What is the differentiation of sin inverse x? 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Instead of x, we write x to the power 3 by 2. See here, 1 minus x square. Now differentiate of this, n x n minus 1. Now 3 by 2, ये कितना हो जाएगा x to the power 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2, 1 minus 2 to cancel out x cube. This you can write 3 by 2 root x upon 1 minus x cube का root, or you can write dy by dx is equal to 3 by 2 under root x minus 1 minus x cube. Question 5. Y is equal to cos inverse x upon 2, डिनोमिनेटर में है 2x plus 7 and x lies between -2 to 2. जो cos की वैल्यू होती है x की, cos इनवर्स x -1 और 1 के बीच में रहता है, इसीलिए ये -2 और 2 के बीच में. dy by dx, quotient rule we can apply. The square of this 2x plus 7 denominator as it is into differentiate of numerator का क्या करेंगे, डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. cos इनवर्स का क्या होएगा, -1 upon under root 1 minus x का होल स्क्वायर, x upon 2 का करेंगे 1 by 2. This is the differentiation of cos inverse x by 2 माइनस न्यूमरेटर क्या है, cos इनवर्स x by 2 इनटू डिफरेंशिएट ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है, रूट x टाइप का, तो 1 upon 2 रूट 2x plus 7, रूट x का होता है 1 upon 2 रूट x, 2x का फिर करेंगे इनटू 2. this 2 cancel out. if I take LCM रूट 2x plus 7 LCM लेंगे और नीचे जाएगा तो ये क्या 1 है पावर 1 by 2, नीचे तो 3 by 2 हो जाएगा और इधर क्या हो जाएगा 2x plus 7. now if I square it, see here minus 1 upon स्क्वायर करेंगे 4 हो जाएगा. दिस इज 4 minus x square into 1 by 2. रूट में जो 4 है वो हटेगा तो अपॉन क्या आएगा 2 आएगा. this 2 also cancelled out. now minus cos inverse x by 2 ये डिनोमिनेटर में चला जाएगा तो इधर हो जाएगा 2x plus 7 की पावर 3 by 2. now this is cancel out. rewrite again 2x plus 7 LCM ले लीजिए रूट 4 minus x square को और this minus will take out common. so 2x plus 7 LCM लेंगे तो ये उधर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा माइनस अंडर रूट 4 minus x square प्लस हो जाएगा माइनस बाहर ले लिया मैंने प्लस cos इनवर्स x by 2 अपॉन और ये ओवरऑल डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा तो 2x plus 7 3 by 2 under root 4 minus x square. This is the solution. Now very important question number 6. many times it comes in the board examination. take it y is equal to cot inverse under root 1 plus sin x plus 1 minus sin x upon under root 1 plus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x एंड डोमेन दिया हुआ है x की जो वैल्यू है 0 से पाई बाय 2. साइन का जो डोमेन होता है x 0 से पाई बाय 2 रहता है. इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. इसके दो क्वेश्चन बनते हैं. अगर यहाँ tan इनवर्स होता तो भी सॉल्व हो जाता, cot है तो भी सॉल्व. तो दोनों में एक बात ध्यान रखनी है. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर वन थिंग. y is equal to cot inverse. Instead of 1, you know that in 10th class you studied this sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. अगर एंगल आधा हो जाए तो भी ये क्या होगा 1. Instead of 1 we can write this or you can write this also. जब cot है तो दोनों में से ले सकते हैं, both are correct, but prefer इसको कर लेंगे इधर. See at last why we will prefer this. So right, instead of 1 write cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. What is the formula of sin x? Plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 under root plus सेम 1 की जगह क्या रखेंगे cos स्क्वायर x by 2 प्लस sin स्क्वायर x by 2 माइनस sin x का फार्मूला x by 2 cos x by 2 ब्रैकेट क्लोज्ड. In denominator also we put 1 x square by 2 plus sin square x by 2. sin x का फार्मूला 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 माइनस cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now you see that this is the identity of a plus b whole square and this is the identity of a minus b whole square. So you can write y is equal to cot inverse under root cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 का whole square under root plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. A minus b is whole square की identity. Similarly cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square minus under root cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Now what you see, if you square it root will comes out. इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा cos x plus sin x हो जाएगा. So I remove it here. जब स्क्वायर करेंगे this will come. Now square it. Outside here it is minus, so sign will change. This is minus and this is plus. Now see here, sin x by 2 cancel out, cos x by 2 cancel out, then what is remaining? Y is equal to cot inverse, how many cos x by 2? 2 cos x by 2. How many sin x by 2? How many sin x by 2? 2. 2 sin x by 2. These two cancel out. Now you can write y is equal to cot inverse cos x by 2 sin x by 2 क्या हो गया cot inverse x by 2 cot x by 2. Now cot inverse x हो जाता है, this is x by 2. Now what is the differentiation of y? dy by dx and it is 1 by 2. This is the final answer. Question number 10. Y is equal to x to the power x plus x to the power a plus a to the power x plus a to the power a. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. One by one we have to differentiate. Take this term u, इसको सेपरेटली कर लेते हैं. तो व्हाट इज द u x to the power x, taking log on both sides, log u is equal to x log x. Now 1 upon u du over dx is equal to first function and second function, differentiate of second, plus second into differentiate of first. This cancel out. U will go there this side, so du over dx, u यहाँ आ गया तो ये हो गया 1 plus log x. Instead of u you can write x to the power x. Now this, how will you differentiate this? X to the power n, and this is a to the power x. So dy by dx is equal to du over dx क्या है इसका डिफरेंशियल? डिफरेंशियल ऑफ दिस इज x to the power x 1 plus log x a to the power x to the power ax a minus 1 a की पावर x का ax log a and plus 0. So this is the answer. So this is the answer. Now I will do question number 11. Question 11. Y is equal to x to the power x square minus 3 plus x minus 3 to the power x square, and it is given to you x is greater than 3. x 3 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. Now see here, this is y, this you can take u, this you can take v. So what is the differential of y? dy by dx, u du over dx, v dv over dx, v dv over dx,
बच्चों को दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, किसी को
dv over dx. Now u is equal to x square minus x square, u equals to x square minus 3. Now taking log on both sides, log u is equal to x square minus 3 log x. What is the differentiation of u? Log u 1 upon u du over dx. This is first function, this is second function. First function into differentiate of second plus second into differentiate of first. x square का हो जाएगा 2x और 3 का हो जाएगा 0. Now u उधर चला जाएगा, du over dx is equal to, instead of you can write, u comes here, instead of you can write x की पावर x square minus 3, x square minus 3 upon x plus 2x log x. This is the differentiation of u. इसका differentiation ये हो गया du over dx. This is first equation. Now what is v? X minus 3 to the power x square. Taking log on both sides, log v is equal to x square log x minus 3. X minus 3. 1 upon v dv by dx. This is first function, this is second function. First function as it is, differentiate of second, log का 1 upon x minus 3. Now first function into differentiate of second plus second into differentiate of first. Now see here, v goes there, so dv by dx is equal to v x upon x minus 3 plus 2x upon 2x into log x minus 3. Putting the value of v, so dv by dx is equal to v is x minus 3 to the power x square, x upon x minus 3, 2x log x minus 3. Now this is equation 2. Add 1 and 2, you will get the required result. Dy by dx, x to the power 3, x square minus 3 upon x, 2x log x plus x minus 3, x square, x upon x minus 3, 2x log x minus 3. This completes the solution. This completes the solution. Question 13. Find dy by dx if y is equal to sin inverse x plus sin inverse under root 1 minus x square minus 1 x is less than or greater than 1. Now differentiate it. We know that what is the differential of sin inverse x? dy by dx is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square plus this is x. So 1 minus x स्क्वायर, रूट का स्क्वायर करेंगे, दिस इज इन द रूट है ना, दिस इज इन द रूट, इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 1 माइनस, और इसका करेंगे 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर का तो माइनस 2x, और नाउ सी हियर, और रूट का करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू 2. सो dy by dx, this I will explain you again. Sin inverse का करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, 1 upon under root 1 minus x का स्क्वायर, instead of x it is given to you 1 minus x square, so स्क्वायर under root 1 minus x square का स्क्वायर किया. फिर under root 1 minus x square का करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, 1 upon 2 under root 1 minus x square, root x का करेंगे इसका 1 minus x square का करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, 1 upon 2 under root 1 minus x square, minus x square का करेंगे तो minus 2x आएगा. dy by dx is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square plus, इसको जब स्क्वायर करेंगे रूट हट जाएगा, 1 minus 1 plus x square under root 2 से 2 कैंसिल आउट minus x upon under root 1 minus x square, 1 से 1 कैंसिल आउट, 1 upon under root 1 minus x square माइनस x अपॉन रूट x स्क्वायर का क्या होगा, x अंडर रूट 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर, दिस x कैंसिल आउट, 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर, दिस इज कैंसिल आउट, सो dy by dx is finally 0.